People are not logical beings. We are emotional beings. We make decisions based on what we feel, not what we think. This is especially true when it comes to our careers. We want to feel fulfilled. We want to feel like we are making a difference. We want to feel like we are part of something bigger than ourselves. This is why it is so important to start your job search by finding your why. Why do you want to work? What are you passionate about? What are your values? Once you know your why, you can start to look for jobs that align with your purpose. This will make your job search more focused and more fulfilling. It will also make you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. Think about it. Who would you rather hire? Someone who is just looking for a job, or someone who is passionate about your company and what you do? The answer is obvious. When you start with why, you tap into your intrinsic motivation. This is the type of motivation that comes from within. It is not driven by external factors like money or prestige. Intrinsic motivation is what drives us to do our best work. It is what makes us feel fulfilled and satisfied. Your why is the foundation of your job search. It is the story you will tell potential employers about who you are, what you care about, and what you can bring to their organization. This story should be woven into every aspect of your job search, from your resume and cover letter to your online presence and networking interactions. Start by identifying your target audience. Who are the employers that align with your values and goals? What are their needs and challenges? Once you understand your target audience, you can start to tailor your message accordingly.
Your resume and cover letter are your first opportunity to make a good impression. Use these documents to highlight your skills and experience in a way that is relevant to the jobs you are applying for. Don't just list your duties and responsibilities. Instead, focus on the results you achieved and the impact you made. Remember, your application materials are not just about getting you an interview. They are about telling your story and demonstrating your value.
In today's digital age, your online presence is just as important as your resume and cover letter. In many ways, it's even more important. Your online presence is your personal brand. It is how you present yourself to the world. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date and professional. Use a high-quality headshot and write a compelling summary that highlights your skills and experience. Connect with people in your field and join relevant groups. Share articles and insights that demonstrate your expertise.
Networking is also essential in today's job market. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and reach out to people you admire for informational interviews. Networking is not about asking for a job. It is about building relationships and learning from others. Think of your online presence as a digital campfire. You want to create a welcoming and engaging space where people can connect with you and learn more about what you have to offer. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Having a process will help you stay focused, organized, and motivated throughout your job search. Remember, consistency is key. Even if you don't see results immediately, don't give up. Keep applying, keep networking, and keep believing in yourself. There are many digital tools available to help you stay organized and on track. Use a project management tool like Trello or Asana to create a job search pipeline. Set up job alerts on LinkedIn and Indeed. Use a CRM like HubSpot to track your networking contacts. Job searching can be a daunting task. It is easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. That is why it is important to have a system in place. Create a workflow for yourself that includes setting daily or weekly goals, tracking your progress, and following up with potential employers. Job searching can be an emotional roller coaster. There will be highs and lows. You will experience rejection. You will doubt yourself. The key is to maintain perspective and focus on the long game. Remember that rejection is a part of the process. It does not mean you are not good enough. It just means that you were not the right fit for that particular opportunity. Learn from your rejections and move on.
It is also important to take care of yourself during your job search. Make sure you are getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, and exercising regularly. Taking care of your physical and mental health will help you stay positive and resilient throughout the process.
Remember, your job search is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, celebrate your successes, and learn from your setbacks. Most importantly, never give up on yourself.